Hello students, welcome back to my class. Today I am going to teach class 7th. The subject is English and the sub-subject is honeycomb. The topic is expert detectives, and this is chapter number 6 in your book. Today we will do the exercises of this chapter. So first of all, we will see questions answers. I have given you the questions answers, so I will not write those questions and answers here on the green board, but I will write other exercises on the board. First of all, I am going to tell you the answers of the questions. Let us see the questions. Open page number 89. Page number 89. It is given here. First question is, what did Nisha give Mr. Nath? Why? So the answer of this question is, Nisha gave Mr. Nath a bar of chocolate. Nisha gave Mr. Nath a bar of chocolate. This is the answer of the first one. Then here is one more question in question number 1. Why? He gave Mr. Nath a bar of chocolate because he thought that Mr. Nath was a poor person. Now let us see the second one. The second question is, what is strange about Mr. Nath's Sundays? The answer of this question will be, Mr. Nath's Sundays were strange for the children, because, especially for Maya, because she thought that the person who visited Mr. Nath, who took the meal, who took the food with Mr. Nath every Sunday, and he was the only visitor to Mr. Nath, and except that visitor there was not any other person who visited Mr. Nath. That's why Maya or other children thought that that person was also a crook like Mr. Nath. He also take the shares of the things that Mr. Nath stole or theft. So what is strange about Mr. Nath's Sundays? Mr. Nath's Sundays were strange because there was a strange person who came to him and they talked for a long time. Come to the next one. The third question is, why did Nishad and Maya get a holiday? Why did Nishad and Maya get a holiday? Nishad and Maya got a holiday because of the heavy rain. Because of the heavy rain, the streets were full of the waters and no vehicles could move. That's why they got the holiday on that day. So these questions are on page number 89. Now come to the page number 93. At the place of 89, now come to the page number 93. On page number 93 it is given, question number 1 is, what does Nishad find out about Mr. Nath from Ramesh? Arrange the information as suggested below. What he eats, when he eats, what he drinks, and how he pays. So what he eats? Nishad was informed by Ramesh that Mr. Nath eats 2 meals a day, and when he eats 1 meal in the morning and 1 meal in the evening. What he drinks? He also took 2 tea He also takes 2 tea a day, one in the morning and one in the evening. And when I have told you how he pays Ramesh in cash. And come to the next question. The next question, second one is, why does Maya think Mr. Nath is a crook? Who does she say the Sunday visitor is? Maya think that Mr. Nath is a crook because there were scares on the face of Mr. Nath. He looks strange. He don't talk to anybody. He hasn't any friend except the Sunday visitor. That's why these are some reasons that Maya thought that Mr. Nath was a crook. Who does she say the Sunday visitor is? She says that the Sunday visitor is also a companion of Mr. Nath. He is also a companion in his theft, in his wrongdoings. Now come to the third one. The third question is, does Nishad agree with Maya about Mr. Nath? How does he feel about him? No, Nishad does not agree with Maya about Mr. Nath. Nishad thought that Mr. Nath was a poor person. He was not a crook. He was thin. His health was not good. He was a poor person. So we can say that Nishad was not agree with Maya that Mr. Nath was a crook. So these are some questions that are given in your book. Now let us do the exercises, other exercises. First one is working with language. Working with language, it is given the word tip has only 3 letters but many meanings. Match the word with its meaning below. So we will match A with B. So we will divide it into 2 parts, A and B, and we will match it. So this is on page number 93. You can also write page number. This is on page number 93. So first one is number 1, fingertips. Fingertips. We don't need the line. It is number 2. Number 2, the tip of your nose. The tip of your nose. Number 3, tip the water out of the bucket. Tip the water out of the bucket. Of the bucket. 4 is have something on the tip of your tongue. Have something on the tip of your tongue. Tongue. 5 is the tip the boat over. Tip the boat over. Number 6 is tip him a rupee. Tip him a rupee. 7. Number 7 is the tip of the boat. The tip of the boat. The tip of the boat. Number 8 is the police were tipped off. The police were tipped off. Tipped off. 9 is If you take my tip, if you take my tip. 10 is 10 and last one is the bat tipped the ball. The bat tipped the ball. Now come to the B1. We will write as AB. A is be about to say something. Be about to say something. B is make the boat overturn. Make the boat overturn. C is the ends of one's finger. The ends of one's finger. Now the D is give a rupee to him. Give a rupee to him. Give a rupee to him to thank him. E is empty a bucket by tilting it. Empty a bucket by tilting it. F is the pointed end of your nose. The pointed end of your nose. G, if you take this advice. If you take this advice. H is the bat lightly touched the ball. The bat lightly touched the ball. And I is the end of the bat. The end of the bat. End of the bat. J is the police were told or warned. The police were told or warned. So it is given the word tip has only 3 letters but many meanings. Match the word with its meanings below. So we will match these words with the meanings here. So first one is fingertips. Fingertips means the ends of one's finger. The ends of one's finger. This is the meaning of fingertip. Then the next one is the tip of your nose. It means the pointed end of your nose. The pointed end of your nose. Then the next one is tip the water out of the bucket. It means empty a bucket. It means empty a bucket by tilting it. The next one is have something on the tip of your tongue. It means be about to say something. Be about to say something. And the next one is tip the boat over. Tip the boat over. It means make the boat overturn. Make the boat overturn. And the next one is tip him a rupee. It means give a rupee to him to thank him. Tip him a rupee. It means give a rupee to him to thank him. The next one is the tip of the boat. It means the end of the boat. The end of the boat. Then the next one is the police were tipped off. It means the police were told or warned. Then the next one is if you take my tip. It means if you take this advice. If you take this advice. Then the next one is the bat tipped the ball. It means the bat lightly touched the ball. The bat lightly touched the ball. So you will match these words in this way. So this is the matching of the words with tips. These are the words with tips and these are the meanings of those words or phrases. Now come to the page number 94. Page 94. It is given the word helper, companion, partner and accomplice have very similar meanings, but each word is typically used in certain phrases. Can you fill in the blanks below with the most commonly used words? A dictionary may help you. So here are the blank points and we have to fill those blanks. We have to fill in the blanks. The first one with only 3 words, 4 words: helper, companion, partner and accomplice. The first one is business, and then the second one is my, then we have to fill on the journey, on the journey. Then the third one is I am mother's little. I am mother's little. Then we have to fill it. Fourth one is a faithful such as a dog. A faithful, then we have to fill it, such as a dog. Then the next one is, fifth one is the thieves, then we have to fill it. Then sixth one is find a good, then we have to fill it. Seventh is tennis, golf, bridge, tennis, golf, bridge, then we have to fill it. And eighth and last one is his, and then we have to fill it in his criminal activities, in his criminal activities, full stop. So we have to fill these blanks only with the words helper, companion, partner and accomplish according to their need. So first one, business, we say partner, business partner. Second one, my on the journey, in journey we took companion, we take companion. And then I am mother's little helper, helper. And then a faithful such as a dog, companion, a faithful companion. And the next one, the thieves, if there is something like thief or criminal things, we write accomplish, accomplice. And then find a good helper, find a good helper. Tennis, golf, bridge, partner. And his, in his criminal activities, accomplish. So in the first one we will fill with partner, business partner. Second, my companion on the journey. Third, I am mother's little helper. Fourth, a faithful companion such as a dog. Fifth, the thief's accomplice. Sixth, find a good helper. Seventh, find a good helper. Sixth, find a good helper. Seventh, tennis, golf, bridge, partner. And eighth, his accomplice in his criminal activities. So we will fill with these words. Page number 94, page 94. This is the last exercise of this chapter, and in it is given. Now it is given. Now let us look at the uses of the word break. In first matching word we use the word tip. Now in this the word break. Match the word with its meaning below. Try to find at least 3 other ways in which to use the words. So first one is the storm broke. The storm broke. Second one is daybreak. Daybreak. Third one is his voice is beginning to break. His voice is beginning. His voice is beginning to break. His voice is beginning to break. Fourth one is her voice broke and she cried. Her voice broke and she cried. Fifth one is the heat wave broke. The heat wave broke. Sixth one is broke the bad news. Broke the bad news. Seventh is break a strike. break or break a strike. Now see the second one. A is, this is A and this is B. A is could not speak, could not speak, could not speak, was too sad to speak, was too sad to speak. B, this kind of weather ended, this kind of weather ended. C, it began or burst into activity, it began or burst into activity. Burst into activity. D, the beginning of daylight, the beginning of daylight, E, changing as he grows up, changing as he grows up. F, end it by making the workers, end it by making the workers, submit. G, gently told someone that bad news, gently told someone the bad news, gently told someone the bad news. Now it is given. Now let us look at the uses of the words break. Match the word with its meaning below. Try to find at least 3 other ways in which to use the words. You can also find 3 ways to use the words, but we are only going to match these words. Here the words with break, and here the meanings of those words, and we have to match the meaning of these phrases or words with these meanings. So first one is the storm broke. It began or burst into activity. It began or burst into activity. Daybreak, it means the beginning of daylight. The beginning of daylight. The next one is his voice is beginning to break. It means changing as he grows up. Changing as he grows up. Then the next one is her voice broke and she cried. It means could not speak, was too sad to speak. Could not speak, was too sad to speak. Next one is the heat wave broke. It means this kind of weather ended. This kind of weather ended. Now the next one is broke the bad news, means gently told someone the bad news. And the last one is break a strike. It means end it by making the workers submit. So this will be matched with this one. So you will match the words or phrases with break with the meanings that are given here. So this is These are the exercises of chapter number 6. Chapter number 6, Expert Detectives. Now my class is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.